everybody, welcome to Healthy Habits. Today we're going to be making baked Parmesan zucchini. Parmesan zucchini is a healthy and nutritious meal that is fun to eat. For our dish, we will need 2 green zucchinis, 1 yellow squash, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and salt and pepper. Let's get started. First, we'll start by preheating our oven to 425 degrees. We're going to then start cutting our zucchini and squash into round slices. Next, we are going to mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil, our cut zucchini and squash, and the minced garlic in a mixing bowl. After we've combined our ingredients, let's go ahead and place the zucchini and squash onto a baking sheet. Let's sprinkle some oregano onto our dish. Now that everything's ready, let's add some salt and pepper. Once we have all the ingredients in the tray, we will bake our dish for 10 minutes. Before you put it in the oven, you do want to add some tin foil. Doesn't that look amazing? Baked Parmesan zucchini is a great way to have a healthy snack that takes minutes to prepare. We hope you enjoy our recipe.